Hello, my name is Richard Fordry. I'm the founder of Boost Life Skills, and I'd like to talk to you about our employability skills training. Our vision is to deliver employability skills into schools and colleges to help your students to have better prospects and life chances. We know that academic studying is fantastic for deriving those academic hard skills, but employers now require a balance of soft employability skills as well as those academic skills. Employers require this just simply because it makes their teams more effective, more efficient, more collaborative, and a better workforce, driving their profitability. We also know that a better blend of skills means that the students are better prepared for stressful scenarios such as exam periods or application periods for whether it be roles or apprenticeships or further education. What we want to be able to do is to build the skill set in the students so that they can then adapt and to be able to fulfill their potential, whether that be in social scenarios, in sport, in work experience and placements, in an application process or for interview preparation, for entrance exams and key exam periods like GCSEs and A-levels, and whether it be for part-time work or for full-time work. It really doesn't matter. It's about giving them the foundations to be a success. So Boost has a model for its basic soft skills, which effectively sits into three buckets, and we can turn this into any kind of training for any duration, for any number of skills to any number of students. We're very, very flexible, and it centers around three models: around yourself, being part of a team, and then your attitude. And these are the skills that we train in to schools and colleges the most frequently. These are some of the courses that we run. They are inspiring, they're innovative, they're thought-provoking. The students get to debate their views and opinions in these courses. We watch videos, we play games, we talk to students around top tips for them to think about in relation to these skills, some questions for them to think about in relation to themselves. We tell them what good looks like. There's a whole raft of activities that we do, and then they also get a couple of takeaway items, being a workbook and a learning log, should the school wish to develop that as part of the program as well. So some fantastic courses that we run. These are the ones that we deliver the most frequently, and they can be modelled to any kind of lesson period that you would want us to deliver against. Beyond the basic skills, we then offer more advanced skills, and these tend to be to sixth formers and people already in the workplace. And there's a couple of sectors here which focuses on yourself as an individual and being part of a team in a workplace. And as I say, these do tend to be for the slightly older students. And then finally, we look at applying for a place or a role, whether that's a place in education or a role in the workforce. And we help students with their employability skills around the interview process, writing a CV, a personal statement, preparing for assessment centres, etc. All of these things absolutely key for helping students to basically maximise their potential. So that's our employability skills overview. If there's anything that Boost can deliver for your school or college, please do make contact, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much.